Yo, what is up, guys? Need to get my fat ass through here. Boom. Got some main lines. Let's crack them open. Not that type of cracking, but got the jammer. We're gonna fill it up. I don't know how you guys see me right now, but I kind of want you to see my face right at the moment. But here I am. I'm gonna open some main lines because why not? You know, it's been a while. Look at the collection, little stuff. You know, pretty cool. But anyways, guys, let's just get through this. We'll do some Hot Wheels today. We got Subaru Impreza, Torino, and another Impreza. Now, I'm a big sucker for rally Subarus just like this, even though I kind of want to stop collecting mainlines, because the thing with mainlines that I don't like is that you don't really get the full detail, and after spending a kidney on Mini GT, as you see right there, well, that's my Evangelion stuff, but I know you guys won't judge me for that, right? Anyways, I have no clue if you guys can see me. I don't really care, but first thing, we got Subaru Impreza WRX from the Japanese series. I remember I went to No Frills, found this one after the gym. Y'all know I live a good life. Yeah, I didn't know that. So, yeah, let's crack it open. Been wanting to open some Hot Wheels recently. But anyways, I'm just gonna tell some stories while I do this thing. Oh wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, my god. For a mainline, this is pretty sweet. The roof painting is still a bit off, but it's still a very good casting. For $2 and 25 cents, well, 26 cents, but very good. We like the air duct, the little gold wheels, no tampos, nothing. Pretty cool sparkly blue. Let's just give it on the rotator. I don't know if y'all can see, but give it a shot. Ooh, look at that, all blue. Really love how I love the very good livery. Sadly, there's no tampos. I don't really think this model came with tampos when it first came out, because this is a pretty old model, and the one thing I do not like is that the tooling is a little big, but it's still pretty cool, not bad. Back, really like the wing, the back of the car is like really empty. So yeah, pretty cool mainline casting. I do got the Mini GT car of this, if I can pull it out. Right here. Got Mini GT. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. I will be opening those soon. Might open it today. Little Mini GT, just put it, this little main line, put it on the side. Anyways, guys, Torino. Really sick. Went to Walmart, found this one. It's the only one. I think they probably mix up this with the Fiat thing from the same case, but yeah, let's just crack it open. Anyways, still pretty sick casting, actually. My god, wow. Oh no, a little bit blemishing on the roof, but lovely. I love me a Torino. Just like the shape of this car. It's like a little cheese block. No tampos. Again, this is why I kind of want to stop collecting mainlines, but I won't stop, because just in general, if the casting is really cool and I like it, then I probably will keep collecting it. Pretty cool Japanese like attack style of these new rims. I love these rims. I am a slut for these type of rims. But anyways, let's just, Jesus Christ, one day it's gonna fall, I know it. Look at that purple. Oh my god, my favorite color, sparkly purple. Love the graphics, even though they have no paint. It's fine. Gold wheels complement it really well. Ooh, very happy to find this in stores. It looks like a very detailed casting too. Actually, I'm lying my ass off. It isn't, but I just like the casting. Pretty cool purple, and ooh, wonder what that says. If I think it's Japanese. It's a little smiley face, some X's. Really do like the hood of this model, which is pretty cool. Honestly, good black color. Yeah, pretty sick. I don't have much to say, actually. Today, I'm just not feeling it. I don't know. Feel pretty tired today. Just wanted to open some cars, let off some steam. Could leave steam off other ways, but I won't say whatever ways I will. But 98 Subaru Impreza. I remember when this first came out back in like 2020. They made a recolor of this where, let me actually Let me pull it out actually, because I gotta show this. I was so confused when I first saw it, because I'm like, oh, this is probably like a new color that I don't have. Because they made one of these in a slightly similar cover. I have it here in one of my jammers. Oh man, where the hell is this thing? Oh my god. Apparently, I don't have it, but I will try to look for it right now. Oh, right here. I got it at one of my jammers. It's more appropriate if I put it in here, but had to get rid of some main lines because I don't really like main lines that much anymore. Kind of not my thing, but still. I kept these little like tissue things because I didn't like the noise of them. So let me show you something. I remember when I first looked, okay, so you got this Subaru Impreza in this black. Oh man, that is very sexy. Very beautiful casting. I love this casting. It's one of my favorites actually. It's a very detailed car, so. Wow, that is nice. You know what, I'm gonna put that in my wall thing. Look, this is like a silk gray one. It's like a black one. Never even noticed. I remember when I first saw it, I'm like, I have a feeling they made a recolor, but I just never really thought too much of it. I got this at the car show. Oh, something I love about these old cards is that they rip so nicely. They just sound so good. So now I got the second recolor. Honestly, I don't know which one I like more, because this one's freaking beautiful. The tooling, oh my god, the grill, the tampos, it's just, I am a sucker for this model, especially. This model's nice too. If I had to pick one, I don't know. Maybe this one. They're both phenomenal. I'm gonna say this. This model is better than the Tomica model. I'm gonna be honest. Like, wow. Tomica Premium one. Oh, this thing is. Oh man, that model's not shit on that one. Love the gold wheels on this one. It's just so pretty. You know what? I'm gonna start collecting this casting. So good. Just everything. The proportions, the grade, the sparkle. Oh my god. Spoiler's nice. Gold chrome wheels. Wow. If they just made the thing to give it a nice license plate in the back, it would have been really cool. Yeah, I kept the Subaru in very good condition. You know what? Wow. That's a beautiful casting. I'm putting that in my big case. That's gonna go in here. Anyways, I got some other castings in there. It's F40 Tomica, pretty sick. Anyways, let's just put these two Subarus in there. Oh man, this is such a nice casting. I always put my favorite or very nice mainlines in this big case, because if I like the mainline enough to keep it in here, then it's like, oh my god, oh. I swear, I feel like I'm actually about to like bust a nut, because this casting is like gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh, it looks so good. I need more. Anyways, guys, that is gonna be it for today. Just want to show you those castings. You know, we got the Subaru, Impreza, also Trueno. Just put those in there. Y'all can come here and watch these cars spin. Anyways, guys, peace out. Have a nice day. And yeah, I'll see you later. Peace.